Use makeup remover to cleanse the face of dirt, oil, and makeup. Cleanse the face using a facial cleanser, and then evenly apply toner. Apply the blackhead remover to the face, and follow with the hot spray. Dermabrasion application. Recommended time, 3 minutes. Recommended vacuum, 20 cmHg. Press the applicator onto the recipient's forehead and hold for 1 second. Gently rotate and lift the applicator and then move to the next spot, following the routine as forehead, nose, and chin. Application on the cheek. Beginning at the chin, connect the applications on 2 to 3 spots in a line, repeating the process until you reach the temple. Facial cleansing vacuum cup application. Recommended time, 3 minutes. Recommended vacuum, 20 cmHg. Recommended mode, M0. Note: cover the mini hole with your finger to prevent a loss of suction. Press the applicator onto the recipient's forehead and hold for 1 second. Gently move the applicator towards the hairline, ensuring the treated spots are connected. Follow the application routine as the forehead, nose, chin, and cheeks. For areas with severe blocked pores in the T-zone, additional treatment may be applied. Cleanse the face with a washcloth. Oxygen application. Recommended time, 10 minutes. Fill the mini flask with the toner and serum in a ratio of 10 to 1. Spray upward from the chin. Spray towards the hairline on the forehead. Grease cup application, small size. Recommended time, 10 minutes. Recommended mode, M0. Recommended vacuum, 20 cmHg. Apply essential oil to the face and evenly spread it across the entire face. Lift from the chin. Lift from the forehead towards the hairline. Cleanse the face with a washcloth. Facial vacuum cup application. Recommended time, 10 minutes. Recommended mode, M0. Recommended vacuum, 20 cmHg. Apply essential oil to the face and evenly spread it across the entire face. Lift from the chin. Lift from the forehead towards the hairline. Cleanse the face with a washcloth. Apply a mask to the face. Remove the mask and cleanse the face. Apply toner, essence, eye cream, and facial cream. It is recommended to have 1 to 2 sessions per week, and a complete course of treatment includes 12 sessions. Contraindications: pregnant or lactating women, individuals with heart disease or pacemaker, those with unhealed surgical wounds or in the recovery period, individuals with epilepsy, severe diabetes, hyperthyroidism, or malignant tumors, people with skin disease or infectious disease.